Today we are going to discuss how we can find the nature of a cube of a number. Now see, first you have to understand what is an even number and what is an odd number. For a quick recap, a number that is divisible by 2, that is a number that ends with 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8, is known as an even number. Similarly, a number other than these, or the number that does not get divisible by 2, that is a number that ends with 1, 3, 5, 7 or 9, is known as an odd number. Now see, in this case, we are given these questions. So first step will be to identify the numbers that are given to us. See, the last digit of the number is 5, which is an odd number. So its cube will also be an odd number. How can we check it? See, the last digit we have got is 125. So if you find the cube of 125, see, 125 into 125 into 125. See, the number that we have got is 1953125. That is, it ends with 5 first, which means it's an odd number. Similarly, we'll move to the next question. See, 512, the number ends with 2, which is an even number. So in this case, because it's an even number, its cube will also be an even number. We'll check the answer. That is, find the cube of 512. That is 512 into 512 into 512. We get a number. See, it ends with 8, which means the answer is also an even number. So similarly, we're going to do the sum. This will be 0, which is an even number. So its cube is also even. This ends with 7, so odd number, so its cube is also odd. This is 6, it ends with an even number, so it's going to be an even number. And it ends with 9, which makes it an odd number, so this will be an odd number. We are going to do similar sums, like write the ones digit of the cube of each of the following numbers. Now these are numbers given to us. We have to find what will be the digit in its units place. Now see, we do not have to multiply the number 3 times in order to find it, because we're just asked to find what will be the number in its ones place. So the step is very simple. Identify the number in its units place, that is 1, and only find the cube of the number at its units place, that is 1. So 1 cube is 1. Therefore, the number that is in its units place will be 1. Okay, like see, 231 is the number given to us. Okay, 231. Now if you find the cube of 231, you'll see that there is 1 in its units place. Let's check. 231 into 231 into 231. See, we've got 1 at the end. 12, 329, 326, 391. So 1 at the units place. Similarly, we are going to do the next sum. See, we've got 8 in its units place. So we're going to find the cube of 8. 8 cube. 8 cube, that is 8 into 8 into 8. The answer will be 512. If you're well versed with the cube list, then you'll know it. So it is 512. So since it is 512, it ends with 2, which means the answer will be 2. We'll move to the next question. 419. The number at the units place is 9. So find the cube of 9. Cube of 9 is 729. So you see there is 9 in the units place. So the answer will be 9. And to write it this way, that 9 cube is 729. This is how we are going to solve these answers.